If you're tackling tough concrete jobs, you need the right tool for the task. The best hammer drill for concrete delivers powerful performance, durability, and precision, making heavy-duty drilling into stone, brick, and masonry faster and easier than ever. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Dewalt DCF860 Hammer Drill. The Dewalt DCF860 hammer drill is a compact and powerful tool designed for users seeking performance and efficiency for concrete work. Sporting the signature black and yellow Dewalt finish, this drill offers a no-load speed of up to 3,800 RPM and an impressive impact frequency of 4,500 IPM. The maximum torque reaches 282 Newton meters, which is more than sufficient for most demanding drilling tasks into concrete and masonry. It comes equipped with a 1/4-inch chuck size, making it suitable for a wide range of drilling and screw driving applications. One standout feature is its lightweight and cordless design, though it's worth noting that some package variants exclude the battery and charger, which need to be purchased separately. The DCF860's compact frame allows it to maneuver easily in tight or awkward spaces, making it a reliable tool for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Users will appreciate the combination of speed, torque, and impact force when tackling tough concrete surfaces. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling even during extended use. While the absence of an included battery in some sets may deter a few, the consistent dual reliability and powerful output make the DCF860 a smart investment for anyone seeking a tough, reliable hammer drill. Number 2. Dewalt DCD796 Hammer Drill. The Dewalt DCD796 hammer drill offers a strong combination of power, versatility, and control, making it ideal for drilling through concrete, wood, and steel. It boasts a hammering frequency of up to 34,000 BPM and a 2-speed, no-load range of 0 to 550 to 1,000 RPM. Its maximum torque of 70 Nm ensures it handles tough materials like brick and concrete walls with ease. The 13mm chuck accommodates a variety of drill bit sizes, supporting drilling capacities up to 40mm in wood, 13mm in steel, and 13mm in masonry. The DCD796 also features an adjustable torque setting, allowing precise control whether you're fastening delicate screws or boring into harder surfaces. With 2-speed options, it easily transitions from slow, powerful screw driving to fast, aggressive drilling. The ergonomic grip and compact build make it comfortable for prolonged use. It's a cordless drill powered by Dewalt's 20-volt battery system, though it's important to note that batteries and chargers are sold separately in some packages. A standout for professionals and serious DIYers, the DCD796 delivers excellent runtime, robust build quality, and reliable performance in concrete drilling. Its portability and impressive torque output make it a dependable addition to any toolkit. Number 3. Makita 18-volt Hammer Drill. The Makita 18-volt hammer drill stands out for its balance of power, precision, and practical design. Designed to be compatible with Makita's 18-volt B-series lithium batteries, this hammer drill offers excellent runtime and flexibility, although it does not support the G-series or NICD models. The drill's brushless motor delivers a no-load speed of up to 900 RPM, ideal for adjusting speeds according to the demands of different drilling applications. It shines particularly in masonry and concrete drilling with its reliable impact performance. A highlight of this drill is its ergonomic 360-degree rotating auxiliary handle, offering improved control and ease of use from any angle. The high-strength chuck ensures a firm grip on drill bits without slippage during operation. Its 4-function selector knob lets users easily switch between standard drilling, hammer drilling, chiseling, and chisel position adjustment, making it exceptionally versatile for various construction and renovation tasks. Additional convenience comes from a detachable depth gauge for precise drilling depth control. The Makita 18-volt hammer drill is well suited for both professional tradesmen and serious DIY enthusiasts who require durability, precision, and power in a lightweight, cordless tool.
Number 4. Makita DTD173 Hammer Drill. The Makita DTD173 hammer drill is a versatile brushless impact drill that blends professional-grade performance with a compact battery-powered design. With CE certification and high manufacturing standards from mainland China, this drill is built for reliability and durability in both commercial and heavy-duty residential applications. The DTD173 features a brushless motor, ensuring greater energy efficiency, reduced heat buildup, and a longer operational lifespan. Its battery-powered operation adds portability and flexibility, ideal for on-site tasks or remote projects where wired connections are inconvenient. Although it lacks a detailed features list, the Makita DTD173 is backed by Makita's trusted reputation for producing dependable power tools. It's an excellent option for professionals seeking a durable, cordless solution for their drilling and fastening needs. Number 5. Patuopro 36mm Hammer Drill. The Patuopro 36mm hammer drill is a robust, high-powered tool designed for demanding drilling applications, particularly in concrete and masonry. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers increased productivity, extended runtime, and lower heat generation compared to traditional models. It's compatible with Makita's 18V B-Series lithium batteries, though it's important to note that it won't work with G-Series or NICD variants. The Patuopro features a no-load drilling speed of 800 RPM, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty projects. Its 360-degree rotating auxiliary handle enhances control and stability during operation. Rugged, ergonomic, and highly effective, the Patuopro 36mm hammer drill is an excellent addition for anyone needing a reliable rotary hammer for concrete work.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.